Have you ever wondered how to make money from Instagram? How to turn those daily scrolls, likes, and comments into a meaningful income? Well, today is your lucky day because that's precisely what we're about to delve into. First things first, define your niche. What are you passionate about? Fashion, food, fitness, or perhaps photography? Whatever it is, carve out your own corner of the Instagram world and make it your own. Remember, authenticity reigns supreme on this platform. Now, once you've found your niche, develop your content strategy. This means planning your posts, stories, and reels meticulously, ensuring they align with your brand and appeal to your target audience. A successful content strategy is a blend of creativity, consistency, and engagement. Next, grow your followers. The more followers you have, the more appealing you are to brands. So post consistently, engage with your audience, and use relevant hashtags to reach more people. Now here comes the fun part. Monetizing your Instagram. There are various ways to do this. Let's explore a few. First up, affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. Next, sponsored posts. Brands pay you to post about their products or services. The key here is to only work with brands that align with your niche and audience. And then, there's selling your own products or services. If you're a fitness guru, you could sell workout plans. If you're a chef, you could sell your own cookbook. The possibilities are endless. To wrap up, making money from Instagram is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires passion, consistency, and hard work. But with the right strategy and a bit of patience, it can certainly be a lucrative venture. Here are the key points to remember. Define your niche, develop a content strategy, grow your followers, and explore various ways to monetize your Instagram. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more insights and tips on how to make the most of your social media. Until next time, keep scrolling, keep posting, and keep earning.